Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called 𝘠𝘩�giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle and everything like that for you guys to follow me. If you do want to follow me on my socials and keep up to date with what I'm doing, then definitely I will leave them somewhere here for you guys to reference, and yeah, you can add me. I'm happy with that. But in today's video, as you guys can see on the title, I'm going to be discussing what BHAs are and how they work on your skin, whether they're good for your skin, who should be using them, what sort of products that I have used personally that contain BHAs. So just giving you basic knowledge, like I always say. And before you use anything that I mention, or before you look into this, I would suggest to first see a dermatologist or a doctor that specifies in skin, and they can be able to give you a guide to whether you actually need to be using them or you don't need to be using them. So always make sure to consult your doctor before you take any advice. So yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, first things first, BHAs are oil solubles, which basically work deeper into your pores by unclogging them. They help with removing excess oils. They also help, extremely help with people that have acne prone skin, people that have blackheads. This is the main ingredient or acid that you want to be incorporating into your skincare. They really, I feel like they're more suitable for people that have combination to oily skin, because I feel like that's the kind of people that the BHA is going to work in terms of your skin. I wouldn't use it if you've got dry skin, mainly because it cleans out your pores. That's basically the purpose of it. So yeah, I would definitely say someone with combination to oily skin definitely needs to give BHA products a try. I have used BHA products for a long time. I think I mentioned in my how I cleared my hormonal acne that I started off using clearing wash, which I've still been using, and that contains salicylic acid, which is the main ingredient, and which is basically the BHA that I used and been using to tackle my acne, and it's really worked amazingly for my skin. So that's something that I've used. I've also in the past year and a half been using Paula's Choice BHA exfoliant lotion. It's like a toner and a lotion, and that has been awesome in terms of blackheads, minimizing the look of them and unclogging my pores. So yeah, that's who I would suggest to use BHAs, and that's basically what they do. They just unplug your pores and just help to get rid of any impurities which tend to lead to having acne. So I would suggest that if you are struggling with acne, to maybe try and give it a go and see how you get on. But obviously, like I mentioned at the beginning of my video, do see your doctor. They can give you advice on what products to use for BHAs, what percentage to use, because you don't want to end up using a high percentage and you end up damaging your skin. So definitely get some advice. There is a lot on the market that you can use, but it's just about finding the right one that works. And yeah, for me, I found that those two products have worked in terms of BHAs, and I wish I knew what BHAs were when I was like 15. I could have helped my skin so much, but you learn as you go along. So I just wanted to do this video to give you guys a basic knowledge on what BHA is without going too scientifical, and just to sort of using a lot of terminologies. So I really hope you found this useful, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section for feedback if you want me to do more of these videos, and also don't forget to like it. I will list the two products that I've mentioned that I use in the description box in case you want to give them a try. But yeah guys, I will see you in my next one. I hope that you enjoyed this one, and take care guys.